Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Cooking with CZ858. On today's menu we're gonna mix up a little bit of tannerite with some fresh produce we got here, watermelons. Why? Because, you know, they're always juicy, so let's see how much juice we can splatter. Let's see what we got. We got some good old tannerite here. We're gonna mix that up and might as well start, I guess. I'm gonna carve this out, make a nice little cap. That's looking pretty juicy. You want some there, cameraman, or what? Are you good? Okay. I think we're only gonna need one of these. I'm not sure. The next ingredient, of course, is lead and powder, right? So you should only need one round. Well, take three, I guess. We're having some issues with the tannerite or maybe the full metal jackets, but we'll give it a try. You're still recording? No, that's food explosion.